no! A pipe is leaking water. Use the excavator and forklift to go fix it. What do you see?
There's a water break right there. Time to wait.
Great idea, Super Brothers. Let's use the backhoe claw and scoop out the water. Looks like we need some help.
Looking.
Transport is on the way.
Hooray! The construction trucks arrived.
Backup is en route.
Safety first. Grab those safety cones and set up a perimeter.
10-4.
Unhook the backhoe.
Yahoo!
Drive in super speed and show them where to go.
It's about to fix the pipe. Time wait.
Help the excavator back up safely. Looks secured.
Time to dig.
Yes, it is. Let's look for the water leak. The dump truck is here to keep the site clean. The construction crew looks ready.
Whoa!
They said the broken pipe is deep underground. Look, you found it.
Let's go.
The Super Brothers are going to fix it. Plug the hole. The dump truck arrived with fresh dirt. Now it's time to fill the hole. Superkid is helping too. Great teamwork. Now it's time to pat the dirt down and grate it. All done. The pipe is fixed. Drive the backhoe on the trailer. Thanks for helping us today, construction crew. It's time for inspections. Go help them out, Supers. Good idea. Help the workers clean up and smooth out the dirt. The Super Brothers are the best at doing construction work. The job site is complete. Let's watch other construction trucks get to work. Excavators can tear down buildings or pick up a lot of dirt for dump trucks. But you mainly see excavators preparing land for houses or buildings. Dirt is moved around by skid steers and bulldozers. The dirt will be hauled off or a dump truck comes with a heavy delivery. This is the largest excavator in the world. The spinning bucket excavator can move more dirt than any other construction truck.
Whoa! Time to put some dirt in. Some rocks. And some dirt.
Are you fixing?
She's still here.
What do you have there?
Some dirt. Put into the dump truck. Construction gear keeps you safe. In case you ever got hurt, you go to the doctor. I'm working.
You're working? What'd you guys do?
I'm gonna dig the hole. Hey, water break.
Where's the water break?
Right there. We made it to the construction site. Let's go! This is a backhoe. It will fix the sewer pipe. Hi! Power up in case you like Super Krew, in case you like diggers. Watch our content. Bye! Bye! Hooray!
Thanks for watching, Supers. See you next Saturday. Stay super.
Goodbye.